All right, we're going to play. This next one's about the earth. It's a song I wrote called, what's it called, Baker? Hard Tellin' is what it's called. Yeah, Hard Tellin', Not Knowing. I was fly fishing with a buddy one time. His name's Pat Dodge, real good dude. We were out fishing. He's a far better fisherman than me. And I was like, where do you think the fish are? You think they're up that bend over there? And he said, well, it's hard telling, not knowing. And I made a message in my phone at that moment. I was like, I'm going to write a song about that, you know? So thank you, Pat, for that inspiration in that moment. And thank you, Mother Earth, for giving us a beautiful evening to spend with friends, new and old. So thank you, guys. Thank you, Goldie.
I've never heard if there's a fish or not. Was there? Did anyone?
I caught a fish that day, huge fish. Every time I tell the story, it gets a little bigger.
That's great.
Nobody had a phone that day.
Mama, I'm sorry. Well, I know we done you wrong. Well, you've been asleep, but you won't sleep for long. Well, Mama, you wonder, your words come in the wind. Led astray by the evilest of men. It's hard to tell it, not knowing. It's hard to see it and not going. It's hard to feel it and not showing. It's hard to need it and not holding. It's hard to tell it. It's hard time. Well, brother, I'm sorry. Well, I know we done you wrong. We made you wait. We made you wait so long. Well, brother, you wonder by the evilest of men. It's hard to tell it, not knowing. It's hard to see it and not showing. It's hard to feel it and not showing. It's hard to need it and not holding. It's hard to tell it. It's hard time. It's hard to tell it, not knowing. It's hard to see it and not knowing. It's hard to feel it and not showing. It's hard to need it and not holding. It's hard to tell it. It's hard time.
Hey guys, that's hard telling. Thank you guys very much. Thank you.